We begin tonight at 10 with the trial of Darrell Brooks. In the second day of witness testimony, 6 witnesses took the stand, including police and the mother of Brooks's child.
Madeline O'Neill joins us live at the courthouse to break it all down and a look at next week.
Exactly. Yeah. Well, we'll start earlier in the day today. The cameras weren't rolling for this, but the judge says there was some sort of altercation between Brooks and a bailiff when Brooks refused to hand over his test results for COVID. Now, those were negative. We know at other points during this trial so far, the judge has removed Brooks from the courtroom for disruptions. Well, today he spent most of the day in the courtroom as the state moved forward with 6 more witnesses.
It's a lot, and that's putting it minimal. A lot. I'm winging it, Your Honor.
It's a lot to go over.
It was just mass chaos, carnage everywhere.
As the state attempts to prove Darrell Brooks was behind that carnage at the Waukesha Christmas parade when 6 people were killed and more than 60 injured.
We heard sounds like thuds, and then it was in the air.
As prosecutors call witnesses in the second day of testimony, they set the scene before the parade, calling the mother of Brooks's child to the stand. Before the parade, Erica Patterson testified she was in Brooks's SUV when he hit her in the face. After she jumped out, she met friends at a park. She says Brooks followed her and got into a fight with her roommate.
How would you describe his demeanor?
Left very angry. He just drove off fast. He was mad they called the cops.
An officer that responded said he was with Patterson taking her statement when he heard the radio call about subjects down a few blocks away.
I had face-to-face contact with a few of them laying on the ground. There were parents screaming at me to help their kids.
Police Detective Thomas Casey says he tried to stop the SUV from driving through the parade route.
The vehicle continued going. It pushed right through me.
Did you get a good look?
An excellent look.
Who was driving that car, sir?
Darrell Brooks, the defendant.
You're 100% sure of that?
1,000.
The trial resumes Monday when Judge Doro says she'll revisit the topic of a dash cam video that was shown today. In that video, Brooks says he heard Patterson, his ex-girlfriend, talking about a prior case that the judge had ruled inadmissible, so they'll talk about what to do about that again on Monday. Also, Brooks will be able to cross-examine Detective Casey, who you just heard from. Live here in Waukesha, Madeline O'Neill, Fox 6 News.
We will pick things back up on Monday. Madeline, thank you. Make sure to stay with Fox 6 for the latest from this trial. We are streaming it on the Fox 6 News Milwaukee YouTube page, our Facebook page, as well as on our website, fox6now.com.